Hey friends, so welcome in this video in which I am going to show you that how can you give permission if you are willing to share some photos or videos with another person. So how can you give permission so that they can download it and they can view it and they can edit it. So if suppose if you have the photos to the person which you if for the person whom you want that he can or she can edit the photos. So if you already send the photo, as you can see here, but if you click on some photo, if you click on the photo, what you have to do, if you click on this option, you have to go for details. So here as you can see, sharing option, here is Khushbu Sharma is the owner, but it is not shared with someone, but you want to share with another person. So how can you do that? So for that, what you have to do, you have to go to details, and as you can see there is no owner. So just go to the drive, as you can see here, open the drive. So if you go to your drive where these photos are already saved. So if you go to your drive, as you can see here, these are the photos which are there. So now what you have to do, you have to select the photos, but it's not good to select each photo. So you just click Ctrl A and select all the photo which you want to share, and the photo which you don't want to share, remove that photos or videos, and that's all. Now what you have to do, you have to go for here details. Sorry, you have to go for this sharing file. So if you click on this, here you have to give the email address of the person with whom you want to share your photos or videos or anything. So I am giving the email of the person with whom I want to share my data, and click send. It asks some verification, so just see on that and verify. You can also add note. Thank you. Namaste. It's sended. So all these photos has been shared with the person with whom you want to share the photos. So that's the thing. I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching the video.